dumbbell floor press. So first thing, get some dumbbells, get the floor. When you're coming down, use your elbows, rock it back. Boom. From this position, we want to get a straight angle. Our middle finger directly over the ball of the elbow. From here, compressing shoulders down so we activate the pec. With our shoulders up, we get our neck and our traps involved as well as our front delt. We don't want that. Make sure we're compressing shoulders. With shoulders compressed, exhale, squeeze it up in a nice controlled tension. Inhale, coming down nice and controlled as well. The thing about the floor is that it limits our range of motion, so it keeps us in a strict tension right in the middle of the pec. So we're squeezing right in that cleavage area, all the way up. Inhale, opening. And again, like we've mentioned in the past, we're squeezing up kind of in that triangle formation while compressing the shoulders down. Inhale, exhale, squeeze it at the top.